This is going to be a cold start video of the 96 Ford F-150 Eddie Bauer. Background of the garage. Antenna hitting the garage door. Turn the air off because it's cold this morning. Original stereo works fine. 4-wheel drive system engages. Which one that goes? Overdrive button works. Lights work. Windows go up and down. Door lock. All works. Turn it off. Oops, press button park. Remote key fob. Both work.